Okay, so let's continue with this. We have to get the 3D sketch, and let's start with the bottom one. Why don't we start with the bottom one? Okay. Notice how I have two that appear. I have two circles that come up. So I'm gonna get that one. And then I'm just gonna go up. Maybe that much. I'm gonna move it this direction. I wanna go that direction. Now I wanna go in this direction actually. And I want to finish it off right there. Okay. Let's put some dimensions in this case. So let's make that. Let's make it as 10. Let's make this as 12. Let's make that as 17. And then whatever we have left over here, that is okay. Just 9. That's fine. It's gonna be overdriven? No. I do wanna add a fillet. Make sure you select it. This one and that one. Let's make it into a 2, maybe 3. Let's let us, yes. It's the same thing over here. Between that one and that one. Okay. And then this one and that line. Also 8, 3. Check mark. Now let's try this right here. I want this to be circular and I want this to be 4. And pin feature, I want that, and check mark. Okay. So now we have our second one right there. Now let's go ahead and do the next one. So I'm going to use sketch again. 3D sketch. Oh, before we do anything else, actually, let's just make sure we save it. Let's rebuild it. Yeah, had to kick me out from the sketch. Just make sure you save it. And so we'll go 3D sketch. And we're essentially gonna do the same thing. Let's start at the bottom. Right here. See how I have 2? I'm gonna grab the one, this one at the bottom. I'm gonna go over here. Actually, I'm gonna get over here. And I'll just connect this right there. I'll give it a dimension of let's see. I don't like this one, but we'll just leave it as 11. And this one will make it as 20, and then whatever else we have left in here. I'm just gonna do the fillets here and here, and I think I can make this a little more with a 5 diameter, and then this one as well, here and here. Okay. Okay, now we can do split boss, and again, I want this to be circular. I want that to be 4, and we can see already that it's working out. So check mark. Now we'll do the last one. So it will be the last one. So let's do this quick. Again, 3D sketch, and let's grab a line. Start at the bottom of this. I don't want this one. It has to be somewhere in here. Well, even if I grab this one, I think I can still come back to it and just kind of like fix it. So, it's right there, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go in this direction. Okay, and then I'm gonna go move in this direction so you can go like this. Actually, I just connect it right there. I think that should be good. Okay. Now it looks a little awkward, and that's okay. Maybe if I bring it a bit in this direction. Yep, I like that better. And dimensions for this one, we can make it, let me see, this what? 21. Let's make it a whole number. Let's make this 16. And then we just leave that one at the bottom as it is. So just do the fillet between this one and that one, check mark, this one and that one. I'll still leave it as 5 inches, that's okay. Check mark. Now we can do the sweep and then we use circular. Let's change it to 4. We can see that we get the result that we want. So check mark. Make sure you save. Now, the very last step I'm going to do is that I'm going to fix this right there. See how everything else is closed except for that one? Well, I wanna go ahead and edit at that portion right there. I'm just gonna grab the line. Come, connect it right there. Escape, check mark, and it is now closed. So we now have what we wanna have. Okay. Next video, we'll probably start running the simulation.